The genetic similarities and the potential threat of Candidatus Phytoplasma australacea associated with Felidae disease of sesame. Felidae disease in sesame results from the abnormal conversion of floral organs into leaf-like structures due to Phytoplasma infection, often transmitted by insect vectors. This condition significantly impacts yield and seed quality. Ongoing molecular-level investigations in sesame growing in North India aim to identify specific phytoplasmas causing crop losses, providing insights for targeted management strategies. Leaf samples from sesame plants exhibiting Felidae disease were collected from Varanasi and Mirzapur districts of Uttar Pradesh, India during the survey conducted between month of September to December 2012 to 14. Incidence of sesame Felidae in the farmers at different location was ranged from 30 to 70%, indicating its prevalence in Uttar Pradesh. The Phytoplasma infection in sesame plants was confirmed by PCR using universal primers of 16's rRNA, R16F2 and Sequoia gene, Sequoia-F2 and Sequoia-R1. Amplified 16's rRNA and Sequoia gene was sequenced and sequence comparisons were made with the available Phytoplasma 16's rRNA and Sequoia gene sequences in NCBI GenBank database. The restriction pattern of Phytoplasma samples collected from different fields was identical, which indicates that the same Phytoplasma is responsible for causing Felidae disease in different locations. The 16's rRNA and Sequoia gene sequence of Phytoplasma in the current study shared highest nucleotide identity of 97.9 to 99.9% and 95.8 to 96.3% with subgroup 16 sister 2D, the peanut witch's broom group. A comprehensive recombination analysis using RDP4 showed the evidence of inter-recombination in F2NR2 and Sequoia gene fragment of Phytoplasma infecting sesame. The most of the F2NR2 fragment is descended from ash yellows, 16SRVIII, and apple proliferation, 16SRX, group. While for Sequoia gene, most of the part was descended from peanut witch's broom 16SRIIA, GU004331, and aster yellows 16 sister IA, GU004345. The genetic similarities and the potential threat of this new Phytoplasma belong to 16 sister 2D subgroup of peanut witch's broom group infecting to sesame in North India are discussed. This report added one more member of 16 sister IID subgroup from peanut witch's broom group in addition to Phytoplasma strains belonging Ca. P** 16 sister I group are responsible for causing sesame Felidae in India. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.